Distinguished leaders, guests, dear teachers and students, good afternoon. Welcome to the closing ceremony of the 4th Belt and Road Teenager Maker Camp and Teacher Workshop. I'm the event MC, Guo Chao. This event has attracted over 2 million participants, including students and teachers from 53 countries, regions, and international organizations. In the past 2 months, all the students have fully displayed their researches, and their experience must be very wonderful. For the purpose of cultural exchange, all the talents and elites behave their best in the final challenge. We here join our hands to enhance the bright future. Now, I formally announce that the beginning of the closing ceremony of the 4th Belt and Road Teenager Maker Camp and Teacher Workshop. Thank you, Academician Wu Yueliang. Thank you very much. With teamwork, collective creativity, and hands-on, this event has also received over 600 research videos, essays, and posters. We believe that they all have different science search stories. So next, let's invite South Korea team to share their story. Let's welcome. Let's invite the South Korea team to share their stories.
We join hands to tackle to November 24th, 65 days and nights, 1,560 hours. Themed learning and final task. 5 subjects, 200 sets of learning materials, 11 science webinars, thousands of cumulative learning hours, 183 outstanding works. Design intelligent robots with national characteristics and access to local landmarks. Cooperate in formulation of COVID-19 protection guideline and safeguard health and safety. Record characteristic buildings with light and shadow, and showcase legacy and heritage by technology. Build the high-speed train model with regional style and undergo wind tunnel test. Build shelter hospital with collective wisdom and cultivate future engineers. Get exposed to diverse research results. Uncover Beijing Electron-Positron Collider. 33 lectures by renowned academicians and experts. Multiple nations stage 15 online science workshops and science shows. In the 2 sessions of the Belt and Road Science Education Forum, over 10 experts from ECO Science Foundation, UNESCO, and other institutions discuss the current situation of science education, online intercultural communication. 6 live streaming sessions showcase local cultural highlights from 6 Asian and African countries, showcase national characteristics and teenage creativity and imagination by themes such as My Ethnic Culture, Inventions for the Future, and Innovation Education in the New Era. Showcase Chinese highlights online. 46 VR sessions showcasing China's beautiful landscape, profound history, and advancing education and science development. 13 live streaming sessions let participants have real-time access to the colorful view of key universities and secondary schools in China, appreciate the charm of Chinese culture in traditional Chinese musical instruments, ethnic customs, and intangible cultural heritage.
Hello everyone, introduce me Muhammad Dani Rahmat. This
Rifki Syakir Fuad Gulita Pratama.
And this
Alat Karke Umar Musa.
We are from Indonesia, Lapas Tugulu. We will present about the protection guideline in Islamic boarding school. The reason why we choose Islamic boarding school is because this place is a gathering place for people from various regions. Several public places including schools, mosques, dormitories, and this is where we study. The objective of this guideline are 1. So that students can know how to protect themselves at schools, dormitories, and mosques. 2. So that teachers in schools and dormitories know how to protect themselves from COVID-19. 3. Provide a reference for schools, dormitories, and mosques to implement health protocol.
相信大家都能感受到第4届“一带一路”青少年创客营与教师研讨活动线上的内容呢是非常的丰富的。青少年同学们参加了智能机器人、健康教育等创客营的主题任务，发挥创意，收获知识。
The first Belt and Road Teenager Maker Camp and Teacher Workshop features so many online activities. In the camp, we start theme as intelligent robot and health education. Young students have fully displayed creativity and acquires knowledge.
更重要的是，通过50余场大师报告和直播交流活动，让来自世界各地的活动者们云中相会，了解和领略不同的文化魅力。
More importantly, over 50 expert speeches and live streaming sessions enable online participants from all over the world to understand and appreciate charm of different cultures.
那么接下来呢，就是最激动人心的颁奖时刻了。本届创客营安排了5项主题，设置最佳创客、最佳展示、最佳团队等3类奖项。经过严谨公正的专业评审和汇集众率的大众投票，最终获奖名单将正式揭晓。
Let's move to the awarding session. It's so exciting. The event this year features 5 themes and 3 categories of awards, including the best maker, the best presentation, the best teamwork. After rigorous and professional review and a collective vote on an equal vote, the final list of winners will be officially revealed.
受颁奖仪式时长的限制，现场呢只公布最佳创客的获奖名单，最佳展示和最佳团队的名单将会在官网公布，敬请期待。
Due to the timeliness of awarding ceremony, only the Best Maker Award winners will be announced on the spot. Please log on to the official website to check winners of the Best Presentation Award and the Best Teamwork Award. Please take a look at big screen.
接下来呢，我们将宣布到的是获得最佳创客奖的是
Winners of Best Maker. A0030 Indonesia. A0033 China. A0022 China. A0023 China. A008 China. A007 China. A004 China. A0025 Iran. B0027 Indonesia. B0050 Nepal. B0044 Indonesia. B0019 Philippines. B0012 Vietnam. B0074 Pakistan. B0022 Pakistan. B0057 Turkey. B0046 Philippines. B0064 Pakistan. B0021 Philippines. B004 Philippines. B0031 Philippines. B0045 Indonesia. B0018 Turkey. Say 0018 Indonesia. Say 0013 Pakistan. Say 003 Iran. Say 0016 Indonesia. Say 006 Iraq. D0012 Vietnam. D0011 Philippines. D0015 Philippines. D0019 Indonesia. E0020 Indonesia. E004 Philippines. E0016 Philippines. E002 Iran. E009 Pakistan. E008 Pakistan. That's all.
现场尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、老师们、同学们，第4届“一带一路”青少年创客营与教师研讨活动圆满结束。感谢师生们的参与，感谢各主办单位、承办单位、协办单位的鼎力支持，也感谢全体评委、工作人员、志愿者的辛勤付出。明年再会。
Distinguished leaders, guests, teachers, and students. The closing ceremony of the False Belt and Road Teenager Maker Camp and Teacher Workshop has come to a successful end. Thank you, all participants. Thank you, the sponsors, organizers, and co-organizers for your utmost support. Thank you, the judges, staff, and volunteers for your hard work. See you again next year.
再见。